So guys, I want to start the second bag of unboxing. This is the second bag, and then let's open it. Let's open the second one. Boom! This is a jacket, winter jacket. Wow, guys, a lot of things we got. I'm telling you, everything I bought here is 600 and something euro. For you to know that people say Temu is cheap, but it's no more like that. Before it's cheap, but now it's no more cheap, guys. Okay, it's no more cheap. Yeah, so sometimes it's affordable, sometimes it's not affordable. So let me be opening and showing you what is here. Just brought them out. This is a winter jacket for the boys, for the big boys. I pray it will size them. Yeah, this is a winter jacket for the boys. Look at it. The inside has a wool inside. It's going to protect them from getting cold. Yeah, very soon now we enter November and it is very cold here in Germany. So because of that, we have to get a warm thing. After this season, they will throw this away, to be frank, because they are growing every day, as I said before. So this is the first one. And here is another stockings, a winter stockings, guys. Look at this, is very warm and very good for the children. And this, when they wear it, there is nothing like cold again. I have how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, a lot of pairs. This is preparing for the winter, guys. 4, 5, 6. I think I have to take from here too. I am a human being too. I have to protect myself. Oh. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is another 10 pairs of warm stockings. In fact, this will be for everyone in the house. So take this, baby. Keep this. I think I spent a lot. And this is their winter sleeping gown. This is for sleeping. For this is like mine. Yeah, mom. This is my own. I am also a human being. I got this for myself for sleeping because the one I'll be using to sleep have worn out. I got this for myself. Okay. So I'm also a human. So I got a lot. Let's be checking. Oh my God! This is another poly pullover for the boys. Look at it. Yeah, I think this will be for my big boy. They drew Africa in it. Say Africa. That is cool. I think it has also the trouser. I think this will be the trouser here. I hope it will fit them all because, you know, children are very selective. Before you know it, now they will tell me I don't like it, this and that. So I pray that it will size them. So this is another pullover, just like a pulley. It has a long mouth neck. Sorry, this is going to be for the girl. I think so. So let me continue to unbox. Baby boy, please try this. This is that your own. They also Africa. They have yellow and this color. Africa. This is a little big. I don't know whether my boys would like this. Look at it. Look at it. I thought it is a trouser up and down. There is the trouser now. Have these people tricked me? I bought it as an up and down, guys. I don't know why I'm seeing only the top without seeing the trouser. I'm really confused now, but I'm going to check it out. I'm going to find out whether it will be another this thing. So this is, oh my God, this is too big. What? This is too big. What? It's like this Temu. Sometimes you buy something, it will be like small, sometimes it will be like big. I got this thing like to be their size. Why is it too big like this? This is too extra big now. This is not what I I asked for. This is too big. Now I have to return this. Okay, I don't think they would like to even try this because this is too big. It is too big. No, 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 no. This is no go area. This will be for my boys for this winter, but no, the yake. Okay, they can also try it if at all it will size them. If not, they're going to return it. Look at it. It has a wool inside, so you can try this if you like it. So I have, in fact, I bought a lot of stockings because I know it's from the leg. In the winter, you have to protect your leg like tomorrow no day. So I got this like for the house. This is for the house. Yeah, this is house shoe. We call it house shoe here. So this has matching gummy here, just like this. And this again is also stockings. Like I got like a lot of stockings for my boys and my girls. This is for my girls, girls in the house. We have this warm stockings. Look at it. Oh my god, this is so warm. I love this. I love. Do you like it? Oh my, you like it? They say they like it, guys. I'm very happy because I hate buying and returning. I don't like buying things and returning. I hate it. Before you see me return things I bought, that means the money is too much. Minus that, I do like to just leave it. Even if they don't wear it, let it be there. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? What is this? I think this is for me, but this is like too big. But I'm going to check it out. This is for the mom, Paris, yeah? This is for the mom. I think this is for me. I have to try it out later to show you how it is. So, let's see this jacket here. Don't worry, your own will be in the other box. My children are waiting for me to see what... Oh my god! This is cool. This is for my boys, for sleeping. The sleeping wears for my boys. Who owned this one? Who remember this? This is sleeping wear for my boys. I think this is for... So there is another winter shoe I bought. You know, they have very fine shoes, but he sees this particular one. He said that he needs something that has wool inside. Do you see it? This is very nice for the winter. I pray this will size my boy because he like red. He like red color. He saw it and said, "Oh, I like this red color shoe. Can you get it for me?" I said, "Okay, let me get it for you." If it's not his size, I'm going to return it. So go and try it if it's your size. Look at it. It has like a sole, a wonderful sole that will match the snow, and you pass. This is very beautiful. Go and try this. So I'm going to go for the third bag. Hurrah! Temu for life. Temu, I have patronized you. If you're supposed to give me some things for free, because I have been unboxing your products on my channel here. You have not even one day give me a free gift and say thank you for unboxing my product without me paying you. So I got a lot from Temu. As I told you, I got like 600 and something other things from the Temu. I'm not lying. I will also press the prices when I'm editing this video for you to see. So I have a lot. We just prepared for this winter. My kids will not say, I don't have this, I don't have this. They are prepared for this winter. Now winter, come, we are prepared for you. Guys, don't mind me. I'm just trying to kid. I'm not kidding, guys. So this is my baby girls. Yes, this is very nice for the winter. Very nice for the winter. So I love it because you can wear it inside. You can as well wear it like that. Yes. So over to you, baby girl. Woo! So I have another one here. I have another one here, and this is For my yes, wow, do you know it still have winter shade? Okay, I got another thing here. Oh my god, my house is smelling Temu. Temu is smelling in my house. Look at this. This is also a pullover. We call it pullover here. Pullover and the jacket. Can as well wear it in the winter time. This is winter things I got for my kids. So another one comes here. Boom! Oh my god, this is a trouser. This is also a trouser. Oh my god, I don't know. Is this for the boys or for me? I don't know. I will check later. I'll have to check later. Or for my girl, because my girl is even more taller than me now. I will check who's the owner of this. This is a jean, and I love it because it is a rubber jean, and it has a protection, winter protection inside. On Temu. I have done a lot of buys from you. So guys, this is for, oh my god, this is big and huge for the winter. This is for my boys. This is my boys. I think this is for my big boy. Guys, look at it. This is so beautiful for the winter. Look at this side. It's very, very, very heavy. Look at it. Very warm. Very, very warm. I have another one here. Boom. Who owns this? This is for the girls. I think I have gotten for the boys too much. This is for the girls, my baby girls, New York style. And this is color, this color, and also this color. This is beautiful. Wow, New York. Look at it. This is so warm. I love it because it's so warm. Whenever I buy something for the I buy something on Temu, I like to choose very good stuff. And that very good stuff, you can see it is not so affordable. You can even see that it's a little bit costlier to compare with other ones. Look at this. This is so good. Yeah, it is so good, and I love it. It has a 3 color here. It has black. It's the black one. And this is also pink. You know, here also we need hand shoe in the winter time. So I get like how many pairs of hand shoes for my girls. Yeah, they go to school with the bus. So just to protect them from the bus to the class or when they are going outside. So guys, look, this is another one. This is the jean, black jean. I love it because it also have a wool protection inside, and it is a draw jean. I love this. This is so good. Temu, I got a lot of goodies from you, and I think who are growing up because they grow up so fast, and soon they will leave it. You throw it away. So I encourage you to get from here so that you're not going to be throwing out money like that, although it's not too affordable as you think. So this is another winter shoe for my baby girl. The back, it has a zip here where you can easy to wear. Another boom. Oh my god. This is a jean, big jean for the big boys. You wanna try big boys. This is what they like to wear, big things like this. So I decided to get this for my big boys. So look at it. It's a big baggy. And I love the color because they say dirty jean. Let me see this last one. Oh my god. Let this not make me unhappy now. I don't really like what I'm seeing. Okay. I think it's good. But this thing is... look at it. This is also for my baby girl for this winter. It also has winter protection here. It has a wool inside here, and this is how it is. So this is the last but not the least of what I got in the Temu. Guys, comment to tell me if you like the stuff I got from the Temu. Have you bought from Temu before? Are you going to try it if you have not? And as you please watch and share this for people who want to get for the kids, and as well like and subscribe to my channel. Love you. Bye. Bye.